So there is a category called games and tournament, okay, which from which question came in 2025. Last question that came was in 2022, sorry, 2022. After that no questions came, and then in 2024, that is in last cat, this question, a question from games and tournament again came. But again telling you that same thing, that logical reasoning doesn't have any categorization as such, okay. The seating arrangement, okay, or this coding, decoding, games and tournament, ranking, ordering, these are just some superficial categorization, but in reality there is no such categorization, okay. One old approach, one old approach that I have already told you, that do the LR sum via tabular method, okay. Construct the LR sum in the form of tables and try to complete the table, okay. So once you complete the table, rest of the part becomes very easy. Now I can tell you personally, this particular question was really easy compared to any other logical reasoning questions in any other cat exam, okay. So I will solve you. When I solve it, you will realize that it is easy. Okay. I just actually taught this sum to Satya in the morning, okay. He will also be appearing for cat this year. He has already got 95 percentile in 2024, but he will be again appearing for cat, okay. I don't know why it is, why my laptop has become slow all of a sudden. Okay, everyone can see my screen. Okay, so the game of quite is played between two teams, okay. So this particular game quite is played between two teams, so two teams are needed for the game. Six teams, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, play in quite tournament. So 6 teams have participated, but the game is between two teams. 6 teams have participated, but the game is between two teams, okay. So 6 teams numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 play in a quite tournament. These teams are divided equally in two groups. So that means there are two groups, group A and group B, okay. And these teams are divided equally in two groups. So that means here there are three teams, here there are three teams, okay. Each team plays every other team in the same group only once. What does that mean? That each team play with the other team in the same group. So say for example, I'm just writing down roughly 1 2 3 4 5 6, like this the groupings are there. Now team 1 will play with team 2 only once in the entire taking the entire tournament. Okay, so in the tournament there will be multiple rounds, so team 1 will play with team 2 only once. Team 1 will play with team 3 only once because they are in the same group. But team 1 will play with team 4 twice. Team 1 will play with team 5 twice. Team 1 will play with team 6 twice. Okay, this is the rule of the game. Similarly, if I take team 2, team 2 will play with team 1 once. Team 2 will play with team 3 once. But team 2 will play with team 4 twice. Team 2 will play with team 5 twice. Team 2 will play with team 6 twice. This is the rule. Same thing will happen for these as well. Okay. And each team in the other group exactly twice. So as I said, so team 1 will play with team 4 twice, team 1 will play with team 5 twice, etc. The tournament has several rounds. Okay, the tournament has several rounds. How many rounds we don't know. Each of which consists of few games. So each round consists of few games, means few matches. Each team plays exactly one game in each round. So that means when I choose a round, in that particular round one team has played only once. That means if in one round team 1 has played with any of these teams, that means that is the only game that the team 1 can play in that particular round. In another round again team 1 will play with another team. Till here is it clear? Is the instruction clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the following additional facts. Okay, so now the first thing that we need to obtain from this data is that how many total rounds were there. Okay, how many total rounds are there? You see team 1, if I take team 1, team 1 is playing how many can play how many times with the team in its own group. Okay, so each team will play only once. Okay, with any team in the same group. Okay, so if I take say team 1, team 1 will play with team 2 only once. I am talking about the entire tournament. Okay, not in one round, the entire, taking the entire tournament. So team 1 is going to play with team 2 only once. Team 1 is going to play with team 3 only once. So how many uh, rounds can one team have with the teams in the same group? Can you tell me? How many rounds can one team have with the teams in the same group?
2.
2. Right. 2 rounds. Okay. Now each team, is this clear everyone? Jyotika, Ritama, Paroma, Urijit, Onna, Pakshi, Bhavna.
Yes, sir.
Now each team will play only twice. See, of course in exam you will not write down so much detail. Okay, I am writing down for your understanding. Only twice with any team in another group. This question is CAT 2024. Okay, latest question. Last day we solved a CAT 2024 DI question, that was from Bhavna. This is also 2024. With any team in other group. Okay, so each team will play only twice with any team in the other group. So that means if I take team 1, team 1 is going to play with team 4 twice in the entire tournament. Team 1 is going to play with team 5 twice in the entire tournament. Team 1 is going to play with team 6 twice in the entire tournament. So how many rounds can one team have with the teams of the other group?
6.
6. So what is the total number of rounds that are happening?
8.
8.
Right, 8 round. अभी क्वेश्चन है कि इन ईच राउंड इट इज गिवन दैट इन ईच राउंड कंसिस्ट ऑफ फ्यू गेम्स. तो इसका मतलब ईच राउंड में कुछ मैचेस हो रहा है. हाउ मेनी मैचेस आर ऑकरिंग? You see, if I take team 1, okay, if I take team 1, each team, okay, so there are 6 teams. So how many pairs are there? 3 pairs are there, right? In each round every team is playing. In each round, so if I take say round number 1, every team is pairing and playing. So how many matches are possible then? 3 matches.
3.
Is it clear, this one? Because in
Yes,
every
sir.
round every team has to play. আবার ডেকেছে? ওটা ওপরে গেছে, বন্ধটা করো, বন্ধ করো. Okay. So round 1, so in each round, every round all the teams must play. Okay, in each round all the teams must play. So how many teams are there? 6 teams are there. So of course one team is not going to play alone, so every team is going to team up with the other one. So that means how many such teams are possible? 3 pairs of teams, 2 2 2. That is why number of matches, in sorry, in each round. Number of matches in each round is 3. Okay. The number of matches in each round is 3. So that means total number of matches is going to be what?
20.
Yes. Total number of matches is 24. Okay. Now we need to make the groups. Okay. Now we need to segregate the teams into groups. For that we need this information 6. And as I told you that we have to move it in this tabular format. So always remember that whenever you see this LR sum, try to break the information in the form of tables. We have done many sums in the past also, you have seen, we are all doing it in tabular form. There was hardly any sum we didn't do in tabular form. I remember that Venn diagram sum was not in tabular form because that is a Venn diagram. In Venn diagram what you will do in tables, but that can also be done in tabular form, but that is more appropriate doing it in Venn diagram form. Okay, অরিজিৎ এতটা বুঝতে পেরেছো কি করলাম?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Jyotika, is it clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we will break it into groups. So group A, group B. Remember for this we need 2 information. Okay, 2 information and that information was already given that with the same group, teams in the same group are playing only one round with each other. Team in the same group, not, remember I am not talking about match, I am talking about round. Okay, in the entire tournament, so each team is playing one round with the teams in the same group. Each team is playing 2 rounds with the teams in the second group. Okay, so we have to make the segregation of groups based on that information. You see, information number 1 says each team played against a team from the other group in round 8. So that means what? Every team, so that means what? Every team in group A played with the every team in group B in round 8, but that is fine, but I don't know which teams are there. So that means information number 1 is not relevant at this point. Okay, I have to, as I told you earlier also, I have to search for sure shot information. Okay. In you see instruction number 2, in round 4 and round 7 the matchups, that is the pair of teams playing against each other, were identical. What is the meaning of this? That I will explain later when we come to this statement. As of now we don't know what are the teams in the group, so we cannot go for this now. Okay, option number 3, team 4 played team 6 in both round 1 and round 2. Okay, so you see, team 4 is playing with team 6 how many times? Team
Two
2
4
times.
times.
2 times. So that means 4 and 6 are in the same group or different group?
Different groups.
Different group. Yes. So team 4, team 6, different groups. Okay, we got one information. Fine. Team 1 played team 5 only once. So team 1, team 5 is in which group? Same group or different group?
Same.
Same group. Did everybody understand? Orijit, Poroma,
Yes, sir.
Jyotika, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Why same group? Yeah. Team 3 and team 4, team 3 played team 4 in round 3. So 3 and 4 are in which group? Same or different?
The same.
Same group.
Same group. Team 1 played team 6 in round 6. So team 1 and team 6 again same group. Why? Because only one round it is given. Fine. So with this information, let us try to fill up this table. So it is given 4, 6 different groups. So let me put 4 over here, let me put 6 over here. Team 1, team 5 same group. So that means 1, but whether 1 and 4 is in same group or not, I need to find out. 3 and 4 same group. Good. 3 and 4 same group. Okay. And same group. Team 1 and team 6 same
Sir,
group.
one
So
and
1 is
five
over
same
here.
group.
So if 1 is, yes, so 1 and 6 are in same group. 4 and 6 are in different group. That is done. 1 and 5
One
in
and
same
five
group.
is same group.
So that means 1 and if 1 is over here, then 5 is over here, then 2 is over here. Is it clear, this part? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
It is difficult to track
Yes,
this
sir.
information at the same
Yes,
time and
sir.
understand. Okay, very good. Now we will fill up the tables. What is going to be the table? The table is going to be 3 matches in each round, and then we will schedule the matches. Okay. So this table is made. Now again that same thing, that same old thing, fill up the tables with all the information that we have. We will search for concrete information, we will fill up the tables, and then after that we will do some thought process. Okay, and then we will fill up the rest. Okay. Again, going to information number 1, each team played against a team from other group in round 8. Fine, but we still don't have concrete information which team played with which. Till now I have done the segregation. Okay, in group A 4-3-2, in group B 6-1-5. This is all I have done, but I don't know that in which team is playing with which team. So still information number 1 is not sufficient for us. In round 4 and round 7, the matchups, that is the pair of teams playing against each other, is same, but I don't know that which team is playing against which team. So information number 2 is also not relevant at this point. Information number 3, team 4 played team 6 in round 1 and round 2. So where is round 1? This is round 1. Team 4 played with team 6, so that means 4-6 is over here, round 1, and round 2, so 4-6 is over here. Did you understand? I am putting this match scheduling on my own. You will ask that why match 1, why not match 2, why not match 3? I don't know. Just I am putting it in for match number 1. Say the first match is played between 4-6. Okay. Now team 1 played team 5 only once, and that was in round 2. So this round 2 It is given team 1 played with team 5, so 1 by 5, because match 1 is already done 1 by 5. Now remember one thing, one information. See, while doing LR, it is very important to keep informations intact. Okay, you can even write down somewhere, but it is very important to remember in mind. Each row should have one team only once. Remember, that means what? If I am putting 4 over here, I cannot put 4 over here anymore, because in each round one team is playing only once. It was given in the instruction over here. You see, each team plays exactly one game in each round. One game means one match. So I cannot put 4 in any of the groups. If I am putting 6 over here, I cannot put 6 in any of the groups. All right. So this one information you have to keep in mind. Now this is becoming slowly like a Sudoku thing. Okay, you will see resemblance with Sudoku with many sums in LR. Okay, Sudoku is such a thing where in each row and each column it will be unique number of unique data like this. Okay, now team 1 अच्छा now next one is team 1 played with team 5, ये तो हो गया. Team 3 played with team 4 in round 3. So round 3 is this. Team 3 played with team 4. So that means 3 by 4 यहाँ पर put कर दिए, right? Because it is given team 3 played team 4 in round 3. So I'm putting 3,4 in round 3, match number 1. Team 1 played with team 6 in round 6. Round 6 is this. Team 1 played with team 6. Okay. Team 1 played team 6 in round 6. So in round 6, team 1 by 6. Alright. Very simple. Just I'm checking the information and putting it in the position. In round 8, now see. In round 8, team 3 played team 6. So that means 3 by 6. I'm putting it over here. Team 2 played team 5. Team 2 played with team 5. So I'm putting it over here. It is given. It is given. Just I put down the information. That's it. Okay. Understood? Till here, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we need to fill up the rest of the table. So this is all we have provided. Now we have to fill up the rest of the tables. Let us start with team this R number 8. It is given 3 played with 6, 2 played with 5. What should be over here? Who can say?
Sir,
1
1
played with
4.
4.
Right, 1 by 4, of course, because every team is playing every round and every team is playing only once. So if 3 has played with 6, 2 has played with 5, of course 1 has to play with 4. Is it clear, Jyotika? Did you understand till here? Jyotika, did you understand till here? Okay. Okay, now what should be? Let us fill up R2 then. R2 is 4 by 6, 1 by 5.
R5 আর R6 সেম বলেছিল।
না ওটা হবে, ওটা পরে করব, ওটা করে নেব. Okay, so R2, what about R2? What should be over here in M3? 2 by 3, right? Because that is only left. 4 is playing with 6, 1 is playing with 5, 2 will play with 3. Now see, if you go to the instruction, you will see it is given that R5, this instruction, R5, okay, R5 and R8, the matchups were identical. Okay, R5 and R8. So that matchups means what? This set of teams 3 6 2 5 1 4. So many data has been filled up. Okay. Now let us fill the other data. It is given R4 and R7 is also same, but we need to fill up that. We need to find out. So let us first of all target those rows which are maximum filled up. That means R1 is filled up, R3 is maximum filled up, and R6 is maximum filled up. I can see that there are 1 data present over here. Okay, so I can fill the other two more easily over here, and then whatever will be left, we'll do it in R4. So see, as I told you that each team, okay, will play with the team in the same group only once, and with the teams in the other group twice. So that means each team has to be present 8 times. For example, this 4 it is present 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times it is present. 3 times more I have to schedule it. But at the same time I have to keep it in mind that in the same row 4 shouldn't come twice. Okay. So let us see 4. What are the different combinations of 4? It can be 4 3 once, 4 2 once, 4 6 2 times, 4 1 2 times, 4 5 2 times, right? Let me see whether 4 3 has occurred once. Is it there? No, it is not there. Okay. So oh yes, it is over here. 4 3 or 3 4, same thing. Okay. So it is over there, so I cancel it out. 4 2 or 2 4, is it there? 4 6 4 6 1 5 3 4 4. No, it is not there. So I need to schedule 4 2. Now this is the first box that I am seeing. Now you tell me, can I put 4 2 over here?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, because 4 is already playing with 6.
Yes, 4 is already playing with 4 6. So here already 4 has been scheduled. So I cannot put 4 2 over here. I cannot put 4 2 over here. Can I put 4 2 over here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Can I put 4 2 over here?
No, sir.
Can I put 4 2 over here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear? Dipakshi, Bhavna, Ananya, Jyotika, Parama?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my this particular row is closed now. 1 comma 6, 4 comma 2. This should be 3 comma 5. Right? Done. This should be 3 comma 5. Okay. So 4 comma 2 has been completed. 4 3 has been completed. 4 comma 6 has to be 2 times. 4 comma 6 has to be 2 times, already is there. So remove it. 4 comma 1 has to be 2 times. 1 comma 4 is already over here. And is there 1 comma 4 anywhere? It is not there. 1 comma 4 is,
So that's it. 5
Yeah.
R5.
I cannot put it over here. I cannot put it over here. I cannot put it over here. I cannot put it over
Sir,
here.
R5 এ আছে।
Oh, okay. 1 comma 4.
Sir, R8 আছে.
Oh, okay. Yes. So 1 comma 4 is completed. Fine. 4 comma 5 2 times I need to have. 4 comma 5, 4 comma 5. 4 comma 5 is not there. 4 comma 5 is not
Sir,
there.
R4 আর R7 এ হবে।
Yes. So 4 comma 5 is not there. Now I need to schedule it. So again I will start traversing each row. Can I put 4 comma 5 over here in M2? No. Why? Because 4 is already scheduled. Can I put 4 comma 5 in over in this box? No, because 4 comma 6 is there. Can I put 4 comma 4 over here, 4 comma 5 over here? No, because 4 is already there. Can I put 4 comma 5 over here? No, because 4 is already there. So my only options left is R4 and R7. Let me put 4 comma 5 over here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Jyotika, I cannot hear you if you are speaking. Is this clear, Jyotika? Okay, maybe some problem with your audio. I cannot hear you anyways. Okay, so 4 comma 5 has to be 2 times. Okay, 4 comma 5 has to be 2 times. So 4 comma 5 is over here, and now say it was given that R4 and R7, the matchups are same. So that means whatever is in R4, that same thing will be in R7. So 4 comma 5 is over here, 4 comma 5 should be over here also, and therefore 4 comma 5 is closed. Okay, so 4 का काम मेरा हो गया. Now let me take 3. So 3, 4 is done. 4 is totally done. I don't need to consider 4 anymore. So 3 2 once, 3 6 twice, 3 1 twice, 3 5 twice. Okay, because 3 4 is already done. So 3 2 once. Do I have 3 2? Yes, it is there over here. So cross out. 3 6 twice. Do I have 3 6? It is over here once. It is over here once. Okay, fine, done. 3 1 3 1 3 1 3 1. Do I have 3 1 or 1 3? No, it is not there. 3 1 or 1 3 is not there. So this is a proper candidate to put it. Where should I put? I can put it in M2. Right, I can put it in M2, but if I put it in M2, because I need to have two things, right? I cannot put 3 1 over here, I cannot put 3 1 over here. Two things I cannot put, right? I cannot put 3 1 over here, 3 1 over here. Two things I cannot put, right? Because see, 3 1 has to occur 2 times only. I have to make it recur 3 times. Now you can say I can put 3 1 over here and 3 1 over here, but if I put 3 1 over here, I have to put 3 1 over here because the matchups are same. Yes or no? Why I cannot put
Yes,
3 1
sir.
over here? I am telling that only. So that means I can put 3 1 over here so that I can put 3 1 over here. So my work is done. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So 3 1 is closed. Now 3 5. 3 5. 3 5 is over here. So 1 is done. And any other 3 5? It is
Yes,
not
sir.
there. So I can now
M2 is good.
I can put 3 5 over here. This is quite suitable place. 3 5 over here. Once I place 3 5 over here, my row 1 is completed, because the other one has to be 1 by
1 and 2.
2. Okay, okay. Okay, now R3 R4 is 3 1, the other one has to be 1 2, right? For R4.
So 1 2 no 2 6.
Sorry 2 6 2 6 2 6, because 1 is already over here. 2 6. If 2 6 is over here, so for R7 it will be 2 6 as well, because both of them have the same matchup. So all is left is 3 4 and I mean these two boxes are left. Okay, so let us fill them. Okay. So for 3 it is done. Now let us check for 2. So 2 4 is done, 2 3 is also done, because 4 and 3 has been closed. 2 6 2 times, 2 1 2 times, 2 5 2 times. So 2 6 2 times. Do I have 2 6? Yes, I have it over here. I have it over here. Close. Do I have 2 1? I have it over here. I have it in which other place? 2 1. Any other 2 1? I don't have it, right? I can place 2 1 over here. My 2 1 is closed. Did you understand? If 2 1 I place over here, this one will be 5 by 6. That's it, right? So this particular problem is, this table is done, and once table is done, our work is done. So now let me take out the question. Now let us come to the questions. How many rounds were there in the tournament? How many rounds were there in the tournament? Tell me.
8 rounds.
8 rounds. That's it. What is the number of team that played team 1 in round team 5? What is the number of team that played team 1 in round 5? So this is round 5, team 1, team 1, team 4. Right? You see, team 1 played with team 4. Question number 3. Which teams among the teams number 2, 3, 4, 5 was not there in the same group? So 2, 3, 4, 5. I see 2, 3, 4 in group 1. 5 is not in the same group. So 5 is out of the group. Please tell me, everybody understood till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ওকে, অনন্য বুঝতে পেরেছো?
Yes, sir.
ওকে, জ্যোতিকা, আন্ডারস্টুড?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so far you have understood, right? Do you have any questions? Please let me know. I'll explain it again if you have any questions. Okay, what is the number of team that played team 1 in round 7? Round 7, team 1, 3. See, the rest of the questions are nothing. Once you pass through the tabular part, एक बार अगर टेबल बना दिए, बस खाना अपने आप परोस देगा. ओके, टेबल बनाना पड़ेगा. ओके, what is the number of team that played team 6 in round 3? So in round 3, team 6, 5. That's it.